Hello there everybody, boys and girls. My name is Nick Dutch, and yes, I'm going to talk to you today about demons. Why? Because it's fun, that's why. Got a private message today. Hello, sorry about my English. Not a problem. I get viewers from all over the world. It's okay, relax. I tried to summon a demon with smoke. It doesn't work. After this, in my coffee cup, I saw a face. Can you help me? Okay. You gotta do a bit more thinking. You just gotta do just a teeny weeny itsy bitsy bit more thinking. First and foremost, what did you mean when you said demon? What did you expect to see? If you thought that it would be something from a science fiction film or something from the sci-fi channel or the horror channel, then basically you've got another thing coming. Demonology is just a word which means the same as nearly any other form of spiritualism, but it's done in just a slightly different way because there is a cultural overlay which affects the interpretation of what is supposed to happen, because different people have applied religion to occultism, which can sometimes be a mistake. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes. Especially when you're trying to come closer to the truth through experimenting with and exploring to try and work out what is really happening. Okay? So, you won't know whether it's worked. You won't know whether it hasn't worked until you get a strange experience. But the strange experience that you're talking about is a face in your coffee cup. And by that, I'm assuming that would either be within the foam or within the coffee granules at the bottom of the cup. If that was the case, it is very unlikely that that is related. Because something which is made up of random particles appears to look like something else, does not necessarily mean that it has any connection to your ritual. The variety of strange experiences that I talk about are based upon consciousness, your mind. So, a strange thing appearing to your mind's eye, apparently spontaneously, could be regarded as being the presence of that spirit being. You need to experiment with it. It will take you many years before you are capable of working out what is more likely to be a genuine experience. And even once you've had some experiences which appear to be genuine in nature, the ability to control the outer world as a result of doing strange stuff will probably not properly happen. This is an experiential, experimental art form and not hard and fast science. So to turn around and say it didn't work shows that you don't understand what you're doing. Alright? It's unempirical, not an art and science when seen from what it really is. Okay? The term art and science, in conformity with the will, should be seen as being a motivator to the experimental occultist to try and become more scientific about what they experience. But there are many people who claim that they have been very scientific, and the result is that they end up lying, or just quite frankly talking complete rubbish purely for gain. So get some clarity there. And I wanted to just go over this subject, not only to answer your private message, but also to make sure people understand where I'm coming from when I start to do the invocations for this season. I'll speak to you again very soon. This is Nick Dutch, wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.